So this is the retractable screen door sticker. They're all the same. You do not, I repeat, you do not take off the top layer of the sticker here. That is to remain on. All you do is you take the bottom thicker piece, you pull that off. The sticker remains to the very thin piece of paper. You then take that, put that onto the mesh, push it all onto that mesh. Make sure it's on there nice and good, and if you can get your hand on the back side, even better. This is obviously just a window screen, but a retractable screen, you can push it together, make it a lot easier. But then you go ahead and just start peeling it off, keep it stuck onto the screen, slowly peel it away. While you're doing that, you kind of push it back onto the screen. It's a little slow process. It's not a fast process. You peel it away, go around, push it down. That way the sticker's on. That's it. Then come back maybe, I don't know, a day. Push it back on there a little bit more. Make sure it's all on to the screen.